So I switched the mic location because I want you to see what the audio sounds like in different places. I know most people are going to be using the mic on the chest. Obviously, I would never run with it here, or I wouldn't normally run with it here. Not normally wearing this much clothing, but it's like 40 degrees outside, and that's pretty cold. So we're just going to work with it. But I've got a decent wind coming at me. I've got the wind muff on, so you can kind of hear how that sounds. I'm going to take that off in a second and let you hear the audio difference, all right? So